We got underneath here and this rail was supposed to be repaired. There's a kink in it right there. As you can see, that has not been repaired. So that'll have to be addressed as well. Maybe that whole rail section replaced. These rail ends were bashed back and sprayed some black stuff over it. It's all fresh. You can see that sealer there, it was sprayed over wet because it's coming apart like that. You know, there's a fair few issues with this car to address. If we look at the other rail on the other side, like that's underneath. The hole is, this rail is nice and straight. That's how the other rail should look. We'll get this car back to its former glory.